Did you want to make roles in Discord and you're in confusion how to do that? Then yes, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will be teaching you guys how to add roles in Discord. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to internet. This video is going to be very simple and step-by-step tutorial. So make sure to watch this video till the end so you can easily add roles in Discord. Now let's go straight into the process. Open your Discord app. Now at the bottom you can see different options. Go to the first option. Now at the top you can see your server name, tap on that. Now go to the option settings. Now here you can see different options. Scroll down and here you can see the option of roles, tap on that. Now here you have to tap on create role. Now here you can give name to your role. And you can choose role color in this way. And then tap on create. Now here you can set up permissions according to your choice in this way by swiping on right and left. Or also you can skip this process. Here I will be choosing this one and then tap on finish on the bottom. You can also add some members by searching them on the search bar. But for now here I will be skipping this process. And then tapping on finish. You can see that I have easily created role in Discord. I hope now you guys are clear about how to add roles in Discord. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.